friends, how are you today? In honor of Mother's Day, I have my daughter. Hi! This is my daughter, Caitlin. She's coming to visit, and she's going to help us do an art project. You're going to need a paper towel roll, some aluminum foil, and some paint. We're going to go with Miss Daisy and Oscar's plan of putting some paint on the aluminum foil, and then we're going to show you what we're going to do next. Are you ready? Okay.
So for my colors, I chose sparkly red, normal white, there's no sparkles in it, and normal blue, there's no sparkles in that one either.
I'm going to use purple, green, and orange. And just like Miss Daisy and Oscar did, we're gonna squeeze our paint onto our aluminum foil first. So go ahead, squeeze your paint on your aluminum foil. Make little dots. Oh, she's not making dots. Oh no, she's like making big old squiggly lines in hers. All right. And then here comes my green. So I have purple and green. And then my orange dots. Are you done with your paint?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
All done.
Her paint. All right. And then you're going to use your finger and you're going to mix it all around.
Like
and make
that?
a pretty, yes, and make a pretty little design in your aluminum foil.
Like tie-dye.
Yes, it does look like tie-dye, but we're not painting shirts. We're going to paint our tube so we can have an exploration tube. It's a little windy outside.
Do you need help?
Sure, you want to add some? Here, I'm going to add some to yours too. There you go. Oh, look, I get to add some white. Oh, she added some white to mine too. Cool. Look, I'm going to add some more.
You sprayed it on the table.
That's okay. All right. So look it. Here's my beautiful tinfoil art. My beautiful tinfoil art.
I like mine. Got sparkles.
And then I'm going to wipe my finger off. Yes, I am. There you go.
Thanks.
And then we're going to take our paper towel roll.
Got my roll.
And we're going to roll it. How are you going to do? Are you going to roll yours through, or are you going to roll this on top?
I don't know.
I'm
What am I
going to roll mine on
supposed to
top like this.
No, I'm just gonna
Roll it on top. See?
roll it
I'm gonna
through
roll mine
this like this. And go back and forth.
And then I'm going to roll it this way.
There, we gotta hold down the corners, guys. If you choose to do it this way.
Oh, mine's turning out cool. Good, kind of greens,
Mine's
oranges.
purpley, sparkly. There, you can't even tell it was red sparkles.
Cool. Look, there's my painted tube and her painted tube. And we're going to let them dry now. Hey friends, after you let them dry, your telescopes, see your telescopes? Really cool.
Sparkly.
Yours is sparkly.
Shiny.
What colors do you see?
Purple and blue and green and glittery silver glitters.
And I definitely have greens and browns and oranges in mine. And we're gonna put them up to our eyes, and what do you see when you're looking outside? I see a bird.
The sky.
The sky.
Your face.
I see you.
Your eyeball. I see Dakota.
I see our friend Tatiana, who's filming us right now.
And some paint.
Yeah. Cool. So take your telescopes, go out, see what you see, and let us know. And if you want, you could save your beautiful artwork. And this is what our tinfoil artwork looks like. Amazing. We loved it. We hope that you loved our telescope art, and we'll see you again soon.